When you're out in the wild, your knife isn't just a tool. It's your backup plan, your go-to for survival, and sometimes your last line of defense. In this video, I'll review 10 of the best pocket knives for camping and outdoor adventures, each with its own strengths, features, and design focus. First up, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops pocket knife is a solid option if you want a compact, affordable, and reliable blade for everyday outdoor tasks. With its 7 chromium 17 molybdenum vanadium stainless steel blade, partial serration, and thumb knobs for one-handed opening, this knife is great for slicing rope, whittling sticks, or prepping firewood at camp. It's built light and sharp, making it perfect for casual campers. Next is the ALBATROSS 6-in-1 survival knife, which is all about versatility. This isn't just a blade, it's a survival tool packed with extras like a fire starter, LED flashlight, and glass breaker. If you're hiking in the backcountry or preparing a bug-out bag, this survival knife gives you versatile tools right in your pocket. If you want more than just a blade, this one's worth a serious look. Number 3. Good Worker Karambit pocket knives. Coming in with a tactical edge, the Good Worker Karambit knives is a claw-style folding knife with a bold design and solid performance. Made from 440 carbon stainless steel, it's sharp, durable, and easy to deploy. The finger ring offers extra control, great for tactical use, EDC, or self-defense during remote hikes. It's a solid pick for gearheads, hikers, or anyone who wants a reliable claw-style knife that turns heads and gets the job done. Number 4. Pohaku Multitool pocket knife. The Pohaku Multitool is for those who love utility. It packs 13 tools into one unit: pliers, saw, screwdrivers, and a sharp stainless steel blade. If you're out camping, on the trail, or just handling everyday fixes, this knife brings serious practicality and peace of mind. If you're all about utility and preparedness, it's a smart pick that covers all the bases. Number 5. KEXMO Wood Handle Pocket Folding Knives. The KEXMO folding knife stands out with its classic rosewood handle and sturdy construction. It's a great blend of outdoor durability and timeless design. With a sharp 3 chromium 13 steel blade, one-handed opening, and a built-in glass breaker, it's both functional and stylish, ideal for fishing trips or casual camping. If you're camping, fishing, or just need a trusty blade on hand, this knife offers reliability with a touch of classic style. Number 6. Kershaw Iridium Steel Blade Folding Pocket Knife. If you appreciate sleek design and top-tier performance, the Kershaw Iridium hits the mark. Featuring a D2 high-carbon steel blade, smooth ball-bearing opening, and the Duralock system, it's designed for high-level EDC. With a deep carry clip and lightweight body, this knife is practical, refined, and built to last. Number 7. CIVIVI Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife. The CIVIVI Mini Praxis proves that good things come in small, sharp packages. It's a smart choice for anyone who wants a reliable, low-profile EDC knife that performs well and feels great in hand. If you're slicing boxes or prepping for a hike, this compact blade is ready for the job. The D2 blade holds a sharp edge, while the G10 handle provides non-slip control, even in damp conditions. Number 8. RoverTac Multitool Pocket Knife. For campers who like to be ready for anything, the RoverTac Multitool delivers. With its black oxide-coated tools, ergonomic aluminum handle, and rugged build, it's a practical companion for everything from firewood prep to gear repair. If you're out in the woods or fixing things around the house, this multi-tool delivers function, strength, and convenience, all in one solid, compact package. Number 9. NedFoss DA75 Pocket Folding Knife. The NedFoss DA75 adds real-world utility to a sleek tactical design. With a sharp 8 chromium 14 molybdenum vanadium blade, seatbelt cutter, and glass breaker, it's ready for action in both outdoor and emergency scenarios. If you're looking for a sharp tactical EDC that can help in survival situations too, this is a great option for those who want a knife that's more than just sharp, it's also smart. Last but definitely not least, the Grand Way heavy-duty pocket knife is built for those who don't mess around when it comes to rugged gear. It features a 3.54-inch Tanto-style blade made from hardened 440 carbon stainless steel, perfect for both slicing and piercing tasks. The spring-assisted mechanism ensures fast deployment, while the G10 handle offers a slip-resistant ergonomic grip even in wet conditions. And there you have it. 10 of the best pocket knives for camping, hiking, and everyday carry. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more honest gear reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp out there.